Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are setting off on an exciting adventure from Dubai to some of the most stunning spots in the UAE. We'll be visiting Shees Park in Khorfakkan, exploring the Nahwa Cave, Al Madha Dam and Al Madha Waterfall. So let's get going. It's 3:30 p.m. and we are now leaving from Dubai. We were a group of 4 friends on this adventure and we had an incredible time. So join us as we explore these amazing places and take in the scenic views. It's almost about 1.5 hour drive to our first stop, Shees Park, which is in Khorfakkan. So I hope you will enjoy these beautiful mountains throughout the journey. After a beautiful drive, now we have made it to Shees Park. At the entrance, you get to see a lot of shops and nursery plants. Be sure to take water bottles or any beverages with you. Now it's summer in UAE and the weather is too hot, so keep your body always hydrated. We made a mistake of not carrying any water bottles with us, so we had to come back here after some time. There is an entry fee of 5 dirhams per person. This place is a hidden gem with lush greenery, walking trails and even a waterfall. Let's go explore. One of the standout features of Shees Park is its terraced gardens. These beautifully landscaped terraces are filled with a variety of plants and trees, creating a lush green environment. One of my favorite things in Shees Park is the man-made waterfall and the pond. Can you hear the water sound? It's amazing. It's a great spot to sit and unwind. And there are several shaded seating areas where you can relax and soak in the views. This is my second time coming here and I wanted to see the view at the top. It was very hard to climb these stairs because of the hot weather. But after a struggle and lot of sweat, we have made it to the beautiful view. We girls were very slow and we were taking lot of breaks in between. This is the view you get to see when you reach just half of it. Finally, we reached at the top and we were so tired. UAE weather is really horrible at summer. We really can't enjoy anything outside. Just apply a lot of sunscreen and go for a trekking. There's no need of any makeup in UAE because all the makeup will go away in just 5 minutes outside. Now look at the view. It's really amazing. The hustle was completely worth. Last time when we visited, we did not climb up here. But you have to come here for this view. She's Park is such a peaceful spot, perfect for a family outing or a quiet retreat from the city. As I mentioned earlier, we forgot to take water bottles, so we are going back to the shops that we saw when we entered to the She's Park. To be honest, don't take any beverages from here. If you want to take water bottles, it's fine. We were so thirsty and we decided to take coconut water, but it was a bad decision. So after the She's Park, we have more to see. So let's head to our next destination, Nahwa Cave. It's quite close to the She's Park. So if you are planning to visit She's Park, then you must visit Nahwa Cave. This is really a hidden gem. Most of the people are not aware about this place. It's a bit of a drive from here, but the views are totally worth it. You also have the off-roading, so be prepared for that. We reached here at the sunset time. We realized we did not take any pictures, so we decided to stop by and we took some group pictures. After a break, let's start the journey again. So finally we have arrived at Nahwa Cave. This spot is famous for its unique rock formations and historical significance. This cave is famous for a deadly giant snake that lived inside. This cave is not just a natural wonder but also a place steeped in history and mystery. The snake was called Killer Snake and its bite was said to kill instantly. While no one truly knows whether the killer snake ever existed, the legend continues to add a layer of mystic to Nahwa Cave, making it a site of both fear and fascination. So, it's the part of the Sharjah Emirate, but it's completely surrounded by the Omani territory of Madha. We also saw this beautiful sunset just very close to the Nahwa Cave. Nahwa Cave is definitely a must-see. Now let's head to our final destination, Madha Dam. Okay, finally we have made it to Madha Dam. Look at that view and it's absolutely breathtaking. This is the perfect place to wrap up our adventure. It's been an amazing day exploring the beautiful places in UAE. Now we have decided to go back to Dubai, but we saw this beautiful waterfall on the way. This place is called Madha Waterfall. This was a surprise and we were not expecting this on the way. The weather was so cloudy and we took a lot of pictures. Now let's go back to Dubai. But we were so hungry and we decided to eat shawarma. The weather was so good and you rarely see this weather in UAE. Imagine a city with 40 plus Celsius heat and you see this weather. That feeling is amazing. So here we were finding a shawarma place nearby. Finally, we found a place called Al Zahur Cafeteria. Now, finally, let's go back to Dubai. We were so tired by the time we reached Dubai. It's 8:30 PM now and we decided to have milkshake. We came to Beit Al Sheikh, which is close to our house. Their avocado with honey milkshake is amazing. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this journey with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.